In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your credit card on Uber Eats. Now, whether you're switching banks, replacing an old card, or just want to streamline your account, removing a payment method is straightforward. First, you need to start by navigating to Uber Eats, so grab your smartphone or computer and head over to the official website, which is www.ubereats.com. Once you're on their homepage, log into your account if you haven't done so already. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. You should see a series of lines, often called a hamburger menu, at the top of the screen. This icon typically opens up a host of additional features and settings on websites, and it's a great way to navigate through different options without cluttering the main display. Go ahead and click on this icon. Once the menu expands, look for the section labeled Wallet. This is where you'll be able to manage your payment methods. Click on Wallet to proceed. Now, with the Wallet section open, you should see a list of your saved payment methods. Click on the card you wish to remove. If you don't have any cards saved or want to add a new one, this is also a point where you can do that, but for now, let's continue with removing the card you already have. As you click on your saved card, you'll come across more options, one of them being the option to remove it. Find the option that says Remove Payment Method and click on it. Uber Eats will likely ask for confirmation to ensure this is what you want to do. This is a standard security measure to prevent accidental deletions. Click on Confirm to complete the removal process. And that's it. Your card should now be removed from your Uber Eats account. Always remember, if you plan on using Uber Eats in the future, make sure to add another payment method to avoid any interruptions in service. It's always good to regularly check and update your payment information to ensure your details are current, which helps maintain both security and convenience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other how-to questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and watch for more tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy your meal deliveries without any hassle.